Hello, Ella Rhodes here, and today we are doing dressage again. Just gonna tell Caren is back, by the way. Karen's back. I'm so happy she's back. Say I love horses when you're ready. I'm a command. Okay. So yeah, Karen's back and I'm so happy because she's been gone so long. And I'm in my beautiful dressage clothes. So pretty. Okay, and we can show you what dressage is. Okay. Ready? Ready? Canter set, canter set, go. Whoops. I think my horse is too fast. I need to think of something to tell Caren to do. We're gonna curl. It's so hard to write while you're cantering around. Our horses are actually the same speed. Curl. Whoopsies. Horse, get up. I mean, curl. Halt. Redo. So we're gonna trot this time because I found that was way too fast. Trot. Set. Trot set. Caren. Right, I'm in the wrong place. Sorry, Caren. Oh no. They didn't wait till I said go. What was that? Like, that was almost funny. Wait till I say go, please. Okay, so yeah. Trot set. Go. I actually, when I'm in shows, I often really do good because, like, I'm so fast at seeing the comment and doing the thing. So yeah, I've never actually won a show, but hopefully I will soon. I always mess up too much, and I need to work on, like, when I'm going to shows, making sure I'm completely ready. Curl. Go. Yeah, so Caren responds quite well. Curl was actually the first thing I ever learned, so maybe I shouldn't judge on that, but I'm going to try a keyhole with Caren, but first we're going to kind of do you can't really do a diagonal in this ring, which is why I really hate doing dressage in rings like that. So we're going to do it's called a triple curl. Yeah. It's so hard to write triple curl. We're gonna wait till we come around the bend. And Karen's doing great. Like, I was so newbie when I first did dressage. curl. Dang it, it's called a triple curl. Dang it, now we're on straight. I'm so sorry, Caren. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm horrible at commanding, because, like, you can't really blame me. You're moving, and you have to, like, write. How do you control your horse? Karen's probably so bored. I'm sorry, Caren. At least if Caren watches my video. Triple. Dang it, and now I'm off of the rail, and that would do so bad on my mark if I was showing. Triple curl. And I hope Caren knows what this is. Go. So you slow down and you do a walking curl first. And then you do a trotting curl. And then you do a cantering curl. And then you slow down to the original pace. Wow, that is one fast horse. I don't actually know that horse's name. Come on, Ella. She's your best friend in the game. You should know her horse's name. I don't think she knows my horse's name, but who cares? So yeah, now we're gonna do a keyhole because she seems quite familiar with dressage. Jeez. Yeah, we're gonna take turns, so yeah. Key. Dang it, I'm going off. Come on, Ella. Hole. Keyhole. Go. Luckily, when you're in a group, it's like way easier to know everything. P.S. If you want to know where I get my outfit, I'm going to show you that in a video. It's very not soon. I don't actually think Caren knows what this is, but I shouldn't assume. So yeah, I'm going to keep her occupied. I'm going to do a curl twice to keep her occupied, and then a cut at mid. Curl twice. Curl twice. Go. So yeah, curl twice is where you curl once and twice. So yeah, one video, one of these days, I'm gonna make like a... Whoops, I'm gonna pretend to bump into the fence. Ugh, I can't. Ah! Whoopsies. Cut! Go! Cut! Go! I'm so sorry. You're supposed to say the whole go part in the second time. Halt at mid. Halt at mid. And we're not at mid quite yet. I did that whole cut thing so soon. I'm so sorry, Caren. I'm so sorry. Rear set. Rear set. Rear set. So I didn't get the whole rear set at first, or any set, but that just means you're preparing to do that. Go. I love the way Dark Phantom, right? Bow set. Bow set, so we're gonna get the do out. Ugh. Go. I might take Caren. I love watching the player bow. What are we gonna do now? slow gallop set. Slow gallop set. So I've never actually went in any, I've only ever been in a canter and a trot, but never a slow gallop or a fast gallop. Go. So we're just trying this out. If you're a professional dressage person, don't come to me complaining, because I am far from it. Okay, no, we're cantering. Halt. Canter instead. Canter instead. Go. So yeah, we did the trot, and I really get frustrated when going at a slow pace, but this dressage really helps me with how frustrated I get doing slow movements. I don't actually know. I think that possibly Rose logged off, which sucks, because Rose was supposed to invite somebody to our club, but I don't know where Rose went. Right, I was supposed to do a die. Ugh. Guess we're doing a curl. Curl. Okay. Actually, no. Die. Go. Yeah. Whoopsies. Go so sorry. I hate. I'm so bad at this. Do you ever feel that way where you're like leading somebody and you're just doing stuff and you're like, ugh. Cut. Now we're gonna do a split at wall. Dang it, gotta straighten myself. Go. Dang it! Split at wall. Oh, I didn't do it in time. She's falling. I'm sorry. Okay. Halt. Your turn. Halt your turn. I really need a show. Like, Global is so dead. It's dying. Wait, what? Wait. It's my turn? Yeah. Just a... So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I just wanted, wait, she's still, okay, so yeah, who knows, maybe Rose died AFK, so I really hope not. We need a club owner. That's hardly what I should be thinking about. No, we don't want Rose to die. Hashtag we don't want Rose to die. And I know Rose Epathon? You watch me videos, so yeah. Sorry. Say I love horses. Bye. Love horses. Dang it. I love horses. So yeah, bye guys. See you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoy.